Number 9.
Maring bata, patanong pati yan lang.
Yari yan, bibitoy ko yan.
Si Beck, pagkalat natin sa YouTube.
Wala ba kayong ano yan?
Okay, when we're talking about ecosystem, it's a unit portion of biosphere. So, sinabi natin biosphere,
Living.
it's a unit part of
Living.
Earth.
Okay, fine. Earth.
Pag sphere, pag sinabi natin sphere, portion.
Yan.
Kasi gamit yung yan ng oblong. Sphere below, okay? So when we say sphere, so we have 3 portions of the Earth. Between the atmosphere, the lithosphere, and hydrosphere. So sinabi natin hydrosphere, that is the water portion. Then
Pangit ka naman dyan.
lithosphere is the land portion. And atmosphere is
Bye-bye.